guys, welcome back. This is Vishal. So I will trade here, live trade in gold right now. So this is a support level we can see here. So you can use 1 hour time frame when you want to see the support level and resistance level. And let's try when we need to execute our trade. We can use 15 minutes. And what we just need to see here in one green candle, because you can see this is totally uptrend market here, and we just need to see here one green candle, and then we just see two candle here. That's what the great things. And of course we just go 1 hour time frame, we have support level here exactly, right? So we try to need to buy from here this area. If I see one green candle here in 15 minutes, a little bit big candle, and then we can have to buy from here. So see guys, we just see here one. Right now we have to see here green candle, then we have to buy. Otherwise we can't sell. Just we have to only for a buying from here. This one, this is exactly support level you can see here, right? So okay guys, so we are ready to execute our trade here. Just we have to wait for a little bit more upside from this candle. If we break out this one candle upside, then this is our SL here behind, and this is our entry. And from this one areas, because if break this one black one candle upside, and then we can execute our trade from here. So we have to wait for just a little bit more. So let's go with the BTC. We have a just buying sale, we just closed right now here, we already closed. We have to sell from this area. Why we need to use 1 hour time frame? If I say this is exact here our resistance level, if I go with uh, the 1 hour time frame, so I just will look here. This is our resistance level for selling pressure. We can sell from here this area, and but the things is little bit we have to wait for a little bit our trade. If I see one trend line here in uh, that's the trend line for a seller, then we can sell a little bit. We can wait for one more red candle, and then we have to sell from this area. We have to wait for breakout 25,666, and then so guys, if I see here in BTC, I have to execute our trade right now, because I just we have a little bit confirmations here about the BTC. So little bit from we can buy from here. This is our SL very small behind this one, and our target will be 56, because it is possible the market can go downside. So let's see, we will trail our SL behind this one. If it's break that 60 to 100 level, then we can do in cost to cost, right? So just a little bit, we have to wait for a one bigger candle here. This is going to down. Watch out. We always see 15 minutes and 1 hour time frame. If I see 1 hour time frame exactly, we this is exact support level. If it's break out this one support level, we have to wait for other support level. This is our support level 49 level, and if it's break out that one, then but the one thing is 15 minutes we have to try to see one more green candle. This is sideways here totally market, and we can see a little bit one green candle guys. So that's good setup over here. Just we have to wait for 56 level upside. If it's breakout here, great moment here, and it's with a great two we can sail here on a sale position. We're focusing on gold right now. So we use already 15 minutes. If I go in 5 minutes, we see lots of candle here, but we just confusing, because if we are using 5 minutes, so we just need to buy only from 2566 level. So we just use 15 again. You don't want to see anything 5 and 1 minute. You have to use the um, right time frame, right? So this is exact also here. We just see this one guys is a bearish flag in 1 hour time frame, and it is possible market can go again here, and maybe if I see this is trend line outside. If I go 1 day time frame, I just see uh, exact this EMA and retesting here, and then downside. So that's good trade too for sailing here. That's very nice. We can keep our sailing here. Just leave it this one. We just go with the gold. I just try to see here green candle. Always we have to wait for a right moment. It's not be like very quickly. You have to wait for the breakout level exact. If it's breakout this one, so of course we have to trade, otherwise we have to wait. Downside, I already give this one signal here. I think if I see in one, it's exactly support level, right? So let's see what's happening. So that's the good things, guys. I just see here very nice candle, but then 5 minutes. But we have to, if anyone want to like scalp and like this, so we have to wait for like one hammer here. Then you can buy or sell whatever you want to do here. This is exactly uh, the right moment to trade here. So just wait for a little bit more, and we can see green candle. Then we can execute our trade. It's not be in a hurry. So of course we if anyone want to scalp here, it is very nice to you can scalp here. We can scalp here to little bit this the support level, and this is our scalp here to here, right? So if you want to scalp, you can scalp here. Just wait. Wow, guys, superb. So this is exact scalp. You can do with cost to cost. If you can close your trade also. It's very nice scalp because exactly you can see this is support level. Try to break green candle, is try to make the green candle here, and that's good, right? That's great pump. It was a great pump, and other country we just execute our trade from here for a long, but this is only for a scalp, only here to here. This great scalp, guys. You just see one candle, very small stop loss. This is why I think 1 to 2 is more than 1 to 2. It's amazing. This is amazing. There's this great pump here. We need to close out trade here. Make sure. I can say just only this one scalping, guys. Don't be take hedges Julie because we have a small stop loss here, and we already captured the good 2 3 points 4 points here. So let's see. This is a good time to be buying here because this exact support level already break out the SL hunting. I think almost break out here. You can see this is SL hunting. I think market wants to go upside. Let's see, guys. This is great scalping here. So we can see we can hold our trade like 67, 69. Guys, we are very close to hit our SL here. You can see, but let's see our SL. But we hold it our trade just a little bit. It's like normally. It's normal. The market can go upside. It's totally bullish, but we can hold like. Let me check. Now, guys, right now, guys, we are safe. We are safe here. Don't worry. Let's check. But it's so risky here. Trade never trade from here because confirmations we get here for buying. But so risky. But it's risky for because of we give small SL. That's why we take our trade here. So, guys, this is amazing. Market wants to come back from this one area. I think we are lucky to continuously keep our trade here. So right now it's a great move to push this market upside. Guys, यहाँ पे बहुत ही रिस्की वाला काम हो गया है. So let's we taken the कि यहाँ पे मार्केट के चांसेस नीचे जाने के हो रहे हैं, मेरे को लग रहा है. सो यहाँ पे हो सकता है कि हमारा ऐसा निकल जाए थोड़ा सा. हम वेट करते हैं इस मोमेंट के हिसाब से थोड़ा सा कि इतने एरिया में हमारा काम हो जाता है तो ठीक है. बट हम आउट हो जाएंगे अगर ये इस एरिया को ब्रेक करता है यहाँ पे, क्योंकि हो सकता है ये जोन थोड़ा सा, क्योंकि ऑलवेज गोल्ड जो है ट्रिकी होता है. सो ऑलवेज ऐसा निकाल के हमेशा रिवर्स करते हैं मार्केट. सो लेट्स वी चेक गाइस. ऑफ कोर्स हम 60 पे हम अपनी ट्रेड क्लोज कर देंगे. We get the lucky here. Again, we just pushing this market here. That was amazing, guys, because this is area already cover up, and I think this area is already cover up here. And SL hunting, I think I just guess here to SL hunting. I think SL hunting here. right? So if I see this SL hunting this area here, then market can move boom upside. So let's take whether bits what's strong here. I think so. I think guys we are lucky here. This has come back the market from here. Wow, amazing. So this is a great move here. We can keep our position still here, and then it's no SL hunting is completed here. We can do our SL like here, right? So this is good to just remove your SL also. If I see in 15 minutes, you can go in 15 minutes, check it out. There is a great massive candle here. You can see this one massive candle, right? So I think we hope we can keep our position a little bit more like 50, 67, 69, because you can see in 5 minute and there is like yeah, this is exactly 68, 69. We can keep out a little bit low positions for long, and then scalp you can close also your scalp guys. This is a great pump here. We see here great pump, and let's try to close our little bit trade here a little bit more upside. So that's was the amazing right now. Wow. Because we just keep our patience here, but we didn't close our trade, and that's why you have to you have to make a. So this is guys great move here. You can see right. So up trade we have to close some quantity here because there is a support resistance level here in 5 minute, and you have to do cost to cost here your SL. And if you want to wait for this one, you can wait for that one, but just you have to keep small SL here. This is amazing guys. This is amazing. He's trying to break this one level. Finally we hit our target here. We just need to close right now, guys. So thank you so much, guys. See you next video. I hope you can execute your trade. You can keep your positions long as usually, just what I said here. Keep your long positions from here to here like this. 71, 75, and this is our target next 73. Okay, so right now we just close our trade. We have hit our target, and thank you so much. Subscribe our channel, like and share also, and see you in next video, guys. Thank you, thank you so much. This was a great action, great move. We can see this one target easily. We can reach at 60, 69 also. Thank you so much. Wow, that's great. We close it our trade here right now. Wow. So right now we execute our this one trade also, because our scalping is already done, and this is for tomorrow. For tomorrow's trade we can use 1 hour time frame, because this one is finished. Also we already execute this one also trade here open, and this is the sell. Yeah, this one close. This is not a scalp, this is long positions for this is exact from reverse from the support level. So thank you so much, guys.